DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, the Dan is back in the lab. Let's see what we are doing today, man. We're back with more banger reactions, more sick videos. You see me, I say, gang, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, today, artist, no stranger to the channel. Today we're there with Teebone, one named Toyota Crown 2. Well, did we do Toyota Crown Part 1? I'm not sure. We did there too, Teebone recently, and I'm not sure which one we do. But Teebone is back, the one named Toyota Crown Part 2. I check it out and swear that. Teebone a bad artist, you know, dog. You see me, I say, bad artist, them asleep, and you see me, I say, I don't know why dog haven't got that big break it is, but it's coming. You see me, she should definitely be one of the forefront in that new school, cause dog bad for real. You see me, I say, yeah. So, yeah, man, gang, before we jump in, how y'all doing, man? I hope y'all staying prayed up. You know, see me, I say, I hope y'all keeping God in your life. I hope y'all taking steps each day to better your situation and get closer to your dreams. You see me, I say, definitely make every day count. Just remind you, say, yo, great things take time, and anything we're having don't come easy. You see me, so keep putting that work, gang. You see me, I say. But yeah, man, before we deal with that, yeah, man, we're there with Teebone, Toyota Crown 2. Now we'll vibe much longer, gang. Come on, man. Let's get it.
Country hat music.
Yeah, should be going to SBT.
Toyota ain't sound pipe out, man. Yeah, some mads, man. Come in.
AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC sweet. Yeah, country.
AC suite and comfort like a AC suite, like the AC hotel. Alright.
Them think I pick the money about 8 will fee. Should be crown to SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick.
So enjoy the SBT AC suite. Well comfortable long like a AC suite. Come in, man. Yeah, man. A lot of the girl them come. That's you can feel it can come in here with man and well comfortable, bro. Half a mission is already won. You see me? Half of the mission already won.
Country hat music.
Yeah, should be crown to SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC sweet.
Sweet. Easy now, man. Dog, the hybrid. The hybrid crown. God, please. Go on.
Yeah, country. Them think I pick the money about 8 will fee.
You can say Corona is just a Toyota, you know. You see me? We'll get lectures.
Should be crown to SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like on a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 will fee. My just a luxury keep my beard deep. And this a skate a country, no I be a big thief. Think I stage na PUBG when in
skate na country, I be a big thief. Mom's is up in her front teeth. Got the little stickers.
Keep my beard deep.
Fluffers, easy now, mama, go on.
When this a skate a country, no I be a big thief. Think I stage na PUBG when in take release. That's how me do you know a suction. Panic couple function. Panic anyway me pull up, girl I bounce pan panic. Can't get.
Yeah, try slam me do no say a suction panic, brother. Oh, I'm telling man, soft clothes. No found no know about them thing me and a soft. Come in.
That's how me do you know a suction. Panic couple function. Panic anyway me pull up, girl I bounce pan panic. Can't get left a road run flat. Panic the express it button lift the shade suck pan cocky. One tip chanic. Cut two chanic.
Tip chalik. Okay, but they don't say the crowd about Tip Chalik too bad. Eh? They don't say the crowd about Tip. Alright, go at you.
Fully loaded with the sunroof panic. Exhaust load like your boss too matic. Me know it fast and jet. Yo country come every start one bet. Call two be my coulda call one example.
Oh, Buckley, Nicky Knight have to do the pies. The BMW, the pies. Alright, go on.
The track me say all gone dead. Y'all jazz all wet. When she see me pull up now the crown and rest. 30 grand fully tank blast car.
My girl jazz wet when I pull up in a crown and rest.
Yes, collision sensor. She be crown to SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like on a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 mil feet. Me my just a luxury keep my beard deep. When this a skate a country no I be a.
Alright, this a vibe. This a vibe. I don't think Teebone get enough credit, dog. You see? Dog, I do him thing, you know.
Big T think I stage na PUBG when in take release. Automatic wipe up on the windshield. I'm talking about the big niche. Watch out, lane.
Nick, hey, go on.
Since me can't crash the big beast now. Playing a little made the clock, yeah, leave. Touch a skate at you, fill it up on the back wheel. It have athlete S, athlete G, hybrid press. Silent when I roll through the scheme. When it turn off, it's steering, sliding back. Anyway, my one come type in that. Recliner seats, I'ma slide it back. What kind of cheap? 5 mil cash, which be my
what kind of cheap? What kind of cheap? A 5 million pay for him. Hey, come here.
one size with that. Is a high risk that from a pass, when I sight him back. Done it all in a 5 minute stops. Headlight bright, lightning flash. The crown through SBT.
Blood clean. Ship it crown through SBT. Oh, global car exporter. Okay. Okay, so Japan them buy. Alright, the man. The man put me on, so SBT them buy car them a Japan and ship it down. Alright! Say less!
In the comfortable like down a AC suite. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 mil feet. My just a luxury, keep my beer deep. When this a skate a country, no I be a big thief. Think I stay
The blood clean, cue this. Alright.
na PUBG when he take release. That's how me door, you know a suction. Panic couple function, panic any.
No, sir, it's another crown. Oh, yeah, tell me, sir. The crown, them a go on good, bro. I swear I thought this was a Infinity a while ago to buckle it. I swear, it look like a Infinity, but yeah, it's a Toyota. Alright.
Release. That's how me door, you know a suction. Panic couple function, panic. Anyway, me pull up, y'all a bounce pan panic. Can't get left a road, run flat panic. Debs press a button, lift the shade, suck pan cocky.
Glade, can't get left a road, brother. A suction the panic, you know. I run flat the panic, man. You see me, I say we just keep going. No stop. We not stop for nobody.
One tip chanic. Cut through traffic. Fully loaded with the sunroof panic. Exhaust road like a bus through.
Are you looking for an easy way to view and manage your mail and packages from anywhere, 24/7?
Shout out to Teebone, man. That's a vibe. The blood clot one. Oh yeah, shout out to Teebone. Shout out to Teebone on the entire crown too. That didn't think on the one day. See me, I say, Teebone, big up your damn self, me G. Yeah, man, me like the one I'm not like. You see me? Teebone a bad artist, that full of lyrics and full of style. No joke. I know why people sleeping on the G. Trust me, Teebone doing his thing, man. Bad artist, man. You see me? A couple of people, I ain't supposed to bring out the Baccarat, you know. And say, what do you talk about Baccarat? You see me, I say? But anyway, shout out to Teebone, bad artist, dog. I think he's 96. Alright, was? Is he still 96? Let me know in the comment section, gang. But yeah, in power with Pablo YG and them man there. I don't know if he on the YGF as well. But shout out to Teebone, bro. You see me, Teebone been doing his thing, bad artist. You see me, I say? Yeah. Bad artist, man. Big up Teebone. Keep it coming, dog. Keep the bangers coming. They can't hold it back. Definitely have a place in the dance hall. You see me? The only thing I say, Teebone just need to keep him consistency. No, that him great. You see me, I say gang. But yeah, man. I don't know what time it is, gang. It's about Jambisco back on a reaction. If you like it, definitely go show the artists all of us. Dance, drop in the comments. In the comment section, know what your favorite part was, beat, lyrics, melody, all that stuff. And yeah, these are all the good stuff. Drop a request so you can get your shout out, all that good stuff. Oh yeah, gang, I'm only 700 away from 7K and 3,000 away from 10K. I really hope that you guys can help me hit that before Christmas and before my birthday. That'll be a great Christmas and birthday gift, gang. No jokes, and I know y'all can do it. You see me, I appreciate the likes and comments that I've been. I appreciate the likes and all the comments that I've been dropping. They've been very active. We're going strong over here, so I know that we can get to 10K before my birthday, and I really appreciate that, gang. So make it this far and every day. The like and subscribe button. You don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.